Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 1st, 2024, and we have a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From legal victories to technological evaluations and strategic partnerships, Tesla continues to make headlines. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has successfully dismissed a shareholder lawsuit that accused the company of misleading investors about its self-driving capabilities. The lawsuit claimed that CEO Elon Musk's statements about Tesla's full self-driving features inflated the stock price. Despite this legal win, Tesla still faces other lawsuits and regulatory investigations related to its marketing practices. In April, Musk reiterated Tesla's commitment to developing a next-generation self-driving vehicle known as a robotaxi. This dismissal is a significant moment for Tesla as it navigates ongoing challenges in the autonomous vehicle sector. While it may boost investor confidence, the company remains under scrutiny from regulators and critics. Sony Honda Mobility, or SHM, has announced that it will adopt Tesla's North American charging standard for its Afeela brand of electric vehicles. This makes SHM the first Japanese automaker to embrace Tesla's charging standard. The Afeela EVs are set to launch in 2025, with deliveries in the US and Japan by 2026. By adopting this standard, Afeela EVs will gain access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network, which boasts over 60,000 charging stations worldwide. SHM CEO Yasuhide Mizuno emphasized the importance of customer convenience and integrating advanced charging technology. Additionally, SHM is enhancing the in-car experience with partnerships for audio and streaming services. This move marks a significant shift in the Japanese automotive industry, as SHM aims to redefine mobility and user experience. An independent evaluation by AMCI Testing has highlighted significant limitations in Tesla's full self-driving technology, challenging Elon Musk's optimistic claims. The testing, conducted over 1,000 miles with a 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance, revealed that human intervention was needed approximately every 13 miles, totaling over 75 interventions. This contrasts sharply with crowdsourced data, suggesting a much higher average distance between interventions. AMCI noted the system's ability to mimic human driving, but warned of the dangers of complacency, as drivers might feel overly secure and become distracted. Guy Mangiamelli, AMCI Testing's director, pointed out that basic programming issues often led to failures, such as premature lane changes. These findings raise concerns about the FSD's programming quality and readiness for widespread use. AMCI plans to continue testing future FSD updates, ensuring ongoing scrutiny of the technology. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay curious and drive safely.